Hey everyone! Today I wanted to show you 3 ways that you can use your peaches this season. It's getting warm outside and it's the perfect time for these succulent fruits. So I'm going to show you 3 recipes that are some of my favorites I've used over time, but also some new ones that I'm testing out for the first time. Let's get juicy. This first recipe is a peachy tartlet. It has a flaky puff pastry base, a cream cheese filling, and succulent peaches on top. We start off by cutting the pastry into rectangles with a pizza cutter. If you're using frozen pastry, you'll need to leave it to thaw for about an hour before unwrapping it. Once cut, score another rectangle about 1 inch inside, making sure you don't pierce all the way through. Do that for all your little tartlets. For the filling, add the cream cheese, agave or maple syrup, and lemon into a bowl. Mix together and finally add in the cornstarch. And that's your filling done. Spread a generous layer onto the inside of each tartlet. It dries up as it cooks, so you need a good thick layer. Cut the peaches into thin slices like this and add maple syrup. Place them onto your filling. I also like to drizzle a little more syrup so they get caramelized. And a little shave of lemon zest. Bake them in the oven for about 20 minutes till they look like this. Ooh, look at that flaky pastry. Gorgeous. So good. Yeah. This next recipe is a peach ricotta and heirloom tomato salad. It's fresh, vibrant, and is literally summer on a plate. Pick your perfect peaches for the salad. I like them firm, and the same for my tomatoes. Slice them up as you like. I like my tomatoes round and my peaches in thin half-moon slices. We're making homemade croutons for this salad because this salad is worthy of homemade croutons. And honestly, they're so easy to make. The difference is most definitely worth it. And I like to use an infused oil sometimes, either chili or a herb oil for an extra bit of flavor. Pop them into bake, and now we're preparing the dressing. Starting off with some extra virgin olive oil, apple cider vinegar, and mustard. Agave for sweetness, and then give it a good shake. I have this dressing stocked in my fridge weekly. It is so delicious. To assemble the salad, I have arugula, then I add on the sliced tomatoes, peaches, and baby tomatoes. Top it off with some almond ricotta, pine nuts, and then the croutons. And obviously a generous glug of dressing. Say a prayer of gratitude and enjoy. Oof, absolutely delicious. The last recipe I'm sharing with you today is my frozen peaches and yogurt. It is my cheeky, but not too cheeky, evening dessert. For this recipe, you'll need to freeze your peaches overnight till they're rock hard. You can shave or grate them onto a layer of unsweetened vanilla yogurt. Add on some chopped pistachios, a drizzle of syrup, And honestly, it satisfies that sweet craving and is absolutely divine. Get yourself some juicy peaches. You've never made croutons from scratch? No one's made you homemade croutons? Peaches.